Hey guys, so like in any progress you need before and after picture. So this is the before picture. Remember the face.
But you make it hard when you act how you do.
Depigmentation blend has so many active ingredients in it, so I'm just going to pat the product instead of massaging it, and then I'll wait for about 5 minutes before I apply any makeup and let the moisturizer sit and absorb in my skin.
It's like screaming at a wall. My words get lost in translation. Can you feel my frustration?
It's 4 a.m. I definitely needed this tea to be able to shoot this video. Just remove that extra product with a fluffy brush. It's bright white primer, so I'm going to make sure that I only cover the area I'm actually going to put eyeshadows on and try to be as precise as I can. If you still mess up, you can always just go in again with a Q-tip or a makeup remover and give it desirable shape. I use white primer because hooded eyes normally don't have much definition and the crease is almost non-existent, as you can see here. White base helps me lay down the ground so I can create a false crease with my transition shade rather than just going in directly with my shadow.
How you do? 'Cause you speak it in tongues. You take the breath from my lungs. It should be shaking in fear, but instead of just what you hear. Screaming at you, but it's like screaming at a wall. My words get lost in translation. Can you feel my frustration?
Just patting the transition shade instead of blending it because I want the first layer of shadow to be gripped by that tacky, almost sticky consistency eye primer has created. I don't want to drag shadows to my brows, and that's why I'm trying to create distance by leaving so much space for me to blend later. Starting with the darkest shadow in my palette, I wanted to keep it simple and just classic, so I took black. You can go for brown or any dark shade that you want to create a smoky eye. Make sure to lay it as close to your lash line as much as you can, then blend it with a tapered brush so that it mixes properly with our transition shade and doesn't leave any harsh line.
But you make it hard when you act how you do. 'Cause you speak it in tongues. You take the breath from my lungs.
Blend it until you create an ombre effect. If needed, go again with the Q-tip and make everything sharp. I used several layers of makeup under eyes, so now it's time to blend that part too, so it doesn't leave any lines or crease there. I'm using my favorite Pro Artist stippling brush because its shape it's perfect to stiffle under my eyes.